I can't climb that with my video camera going.
Yes, you can.
When you get up there, you gotta look back at me.
There's a hole right here. Like I can hang on her. Oh.
Cool, Tyler. Look at me.
Oh, man.
When Abigail can turn around.
Oh.
Cool.
Yep.
Watch out for that balanced rock up there.
Oh, we gotta get out of here. Excuse me, Abigail. Oh, I'm an expert rock climber. Did you see that?
I saw that.
Oh, time to go climb the next ravine.
Careful now. Thank you. Was that on purpose or was that an accident? Yeah, that was an accident.
Hey, Abigail. Abigail, come here.
I'm coming.
She's coming.
Trying to freak out Mom.
Does she need help?
No, she's fine.
Why are you going like this?
Because she freaked me out.
I was like going like.
Abigail, there's nests of something up in there. Let me come down first. Abigail. There's nests up in there.
Can I see it with the camera?
I'll take it up there.
Well, I was gonna.
Well, no, you have to go up in there to see.
Okay, well, let me see.
Well, I'll take the camera.
Let me see. Take the camera up there.
Oh, well, no,
I didn't get to do any climbing yet.
You don't need to go up there.
Here, pass the camera down. Pass it to me.
It's running.
Mom wants to go up there, Abigail. Put the wrist strap on, Abigail. Put the wrist strap on, Abigail.
Well, no, she's got to use her hand for balance.
Oh, here, Abigail. Put the wrist strap on.
There.
Put the wrist strap on.
You see the complete and total inside of it. Ooh, there's Mom.
Here, Abigail, come climb over.